All right, we're going to make this quick. The kids keep coming in. So we're currently 12 and a half weeks pregnant with this baby, and my husband found me this subscription box. So I'm excited to see what's inside. This is my first one. The little packing slip. Congratulations. Relax, we've got you covered. Okay, so this tells us what's in here. Oh, this is extra stuff in the shop. It's 30% off other things. So, here's what we got. Energized body lotion from Glow9 Organics. Cool. This little massagey rolly thing. Mom Life water bottle. Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. Okay. Mambino Organics Anti-Bug Repellent Spray. Okay. And this little box. Some sort of coffee cup. Coffee, Chaos, and Cuddles. Aw, that's so cute. It's a metal coffee cup. Awesome. It's a pretty good little starter pack. I'm excited to see what comes in the next one. If y'all are excited just like me, go ahead and like this video and hit subscribe for next month's Bump Box video. Thanks. Bye.